All you'll need is a ratchet with a T40 Torx bit, a Phillips screwdriver and something long and solid like an extension bar or a block of wood. Before any repairs, always unplug and disconnect your appliance. We need to gain access to the rear of the washing machine. Remove the screws holding the rear panel in place. On this Hotpoint model, there are 6 screws to remove. The rear panel can then be removed and placed to one side. The drum pulley bolt can be extremely tight. Use something long and solid like an extension bar or a block of wood to give some leverage. Place it in one of the holes on the washing machine drum to stop the drum pulley spinning, and with your ratchet loosen the bolt. The bolt can then be removed from the drum pulley. Unpackage your new drum pulley bolt and attach it to the washing machine. Start to screw it in place by hand or with a screwdriver with your T40 bit attached. Then insert the extension bar or whatever you have in its place inside one of the holes on your washing machine drum. Now with your ratchet and the T40 bit, tighten the new drum pulley bolt. Now give the pulley a spin to make sure it's spinning correctly after tightening the new bolt. Reattach your rear panel and re-screw all of the screws back in place. And that's it, your new washing machine drum pulley bolt is all set to go.